Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTBX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis the past couple of days, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And update's probably not necessarily the right word, more so kind of confirmation. Confirmation of what? Well, the main point has everything to do with this red line right here, which means a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but I've talked about 290 in the past couple, and once again, 290 has proven to be the level of resistance from this morning. And it's kind of a cruel area, meaning it almost enjoys teasing the bulls. You know, right here, you look, the price actually, right there, and there was no tease, and it just flat out rejected it. But right here, it let the price get up above it, and then the price fell back below. This morning, once again, let the price get slightly up above it, and then once more, the price fell back below it. So definitely, we'll call it a teaser level of resistance, because apparently, sure, the price can break through it, but when it comes to that second part of the breakout, meaning staying above the break point, yeah, the bulls just can't quite seem to maintain themselves. On the bright side of things, though, the lows continue to get higher and higher. So, I mean, you go back through the history of things, and, right there was the lowest of today, and then you look at these previous lows, and they just keep getting higher and higher. So that's, little miniature stair-step formation right there. So, I mean, by no means am I saying 290 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just pointing out the fact that, as the chart has suggested, 290 is definitely a very stubborn area as far as the chart is concerned. As far as supports, the first key level is going to be that purple line right there, which I've talked about time and time again. That level is currently valued at 268, but that is a moving average, so that price is going to move as time unfolds. But in the event the price does fall below that purple line, the next key level to keep an eye on would be right down there around 260-ish, give or take a little bit. So very interesting setup going into next week. Like I said, you have those little stair steps that have been formed. So you have, I'll just do a poor man's sketch of it real quick, but you have this, wedge pattern that has taken shape, if you want to put in the poll right there. So we could call that a bull pennant pattern. So bull pennant pattern going into next week. Let's see if the bulls can get the bullish breakout or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.